Welcome back. Today I am Ron the Professor. Something coined by young Miss Julia, although I think she stole it from Peter. Her cocktail of choice is a spicy margarita, but she's also a big fan of mezcal and tequila just straight up on the rocks. So I felt that I need to combine the two. How about we do a mezcal margarita? So for our mezcal, we'll be using Lejana y Sola, an artisanal mezcal from Oaxaca. This is made from 100% espadín agave, comes in at about 46% ABV. Lejana y Sola means far away and lonely, which is a very poetic name for a mezcal, and how I'm feeling right now, away from all of my other Yes Chef companions. The brand really focuses on the unique flavors of small batch mezcal. It has a delicious, smooth and smoky flavor with hints of citrus and a little bit of herbaceousness. The distillery also focuses on very traditional methods of making mezcal. Enough talking, let's get to making the cocktail. You can't just make a simple spicy margarita. For Julia, we need to make something a little special. So we're gonna do some infusions in my crew bottles. What I love about these bottles are, well, one, tempered glass, so you can throw them right into your dishwasher. The bottom screws off, makes it a lot easier for doing infusions. So right here we got a Guallio chili. Just gonna tear it up. I took the seeds out. We don't want to put those in there. Can make our cocktail a little bit bitter. Remember, heat doesn't come from the actual seeds. It comes from the veins within the chili, which the seeds sit on. So there's only a little bit of residual spice on the seeds. Next, we've got some fresh lemon balm from my garden. Give that a slap, wake up the oils. Next, our Lejana y Sola mezcal. We're just gonna cover all this so we can make a couple cocktails, you know? Tap that. Let's give it a shake. Now we're just gonna let this sit for about an hour. I know it's a long time to wait for a cocktail. Plenty of time for you to have a beer. Our infusion has been infusing, so let's make our cocktail. We're gonna go with 2 ounces of our chili lemon balm infusion, or 60 milliliters. Then some fresh lime juice. Go with 1 ounce, or 30 mils, fresh lime. Then we're gonna add in a couple lemon balm leaves. We wanna accentuate that lemon balm flavor. Next up, just some regular simple syrup. We go with a 1/2 ounce, or 15 mils. Got my big cube here. Give it a nice crack. Throw our cap on. Just gonna strain our cocktail right into my Libbey coupe. And garnish with a freeze-dried lime. There we are, our spicy lemon balm margarita. For you, Julia. Cheers to Julia. You put up a hell of a fight, girl. Oof. Just a touch of heat right back here. The Guallio heat isn't on the front of the tongue. Hits back here, right in the throat. The lemon balm has a really intense, herby lemon flavor. And that mezcal is just a touch of smoke. Sweet, spicy, a little bit of herbaceousness. A perfect cocktail for you. Want to check out the rest of my Yes Chef recipes? Click right there. Until next time, I am Ron, the Professor.